Hello everyone, my name is David, and on February 26th, I took a trade that ended up making me over $850. So in this video, I'm going to go over what I did, the thought process that went into the trade, and why I took the trade, and overall why this trade was successful. So let's get into it. So starting off the trade, as you know, we always have to check forexfactory.com to see if there's going to be any upcoming news in the market, because as you know, news is random and can affect the market in a way that is unpredictable. So I suggest you never trade when there's a lot of news going around unless you really know what you're doing. On February 26th, there was no strong news until 10 a.m. and I started trading around 9:15. So I knew that in my mind, I really only had around 40 minutes of quality trading before news can affect the market and ruin my strategy. So now getting into the trade, I kept this trade very simple. I saw that there was a downtrend happening due to the lower highs and the lower lows. So I decided I was going to profit from this trend. So I entered this trade a lower low. It would have been better if I waited for a little bit longer and entered the trade at the next lower high. So that is a mistake I made. I should have waited for a few more minutes, seen what the market does, and entered when the price rose a little bit more. However, I entered at the lower low. I put my stop loss one tick above the previous lower high, because I know that if the market goes above the last lower high, that is the end of the downtrend, and I entered at a bad time. And this trade came to be a success, as it rose a little bit, but then it dropped back down following the trend, which allowed me to take $693.20 in profit. Then at this time it was about to be 9:30, so I decided to not place any trades until normal market opens. I needed to see what would happen after the normal market opens, because I knew that's when normal investors would start trading in the S&P 500. So I decided to just watch during the market open. It was a good thing I decided not to trade until I see what happens after the market open, because immediately the market became very bullish, which would have been very bad for me since I was following a downtrend and I wanted to short. You couldn't see this as me missing an opportunity to make a ton of profit. However, I see this more as a good decision to not take any losses. Sometimes in trading, it's best to just sit back and watch what the market decides to do. Then if we fast forward a little bit, I noticed that the market is consolidating at this resistance zone. So I decided that I wanted to capitalize off this, and I enter another short trade. This trade did start going in my favor. However, once I made around $250 in profit, I decided to get out the trade, because I didn't really like this setup, and I didn't have much of a plan going into it. The only evidence I had that the price was going to continue to go short from here was that it was at a resistance zone, which one piece of evidence isn't really good enough to base a decision on. For example, when I saw that downtrend, you could see that the trend went down 3 times before I decided to enter the trade. So it was a very good possibility that it would continue to go down at least a few more ticks. However, with this resistance zone, only evidence I had that the market would go down was just this resistance zone that happened at 8:40 a.m. So for this reason, I decided to get out. And I will admit I did get out prematurely, because later in the market, it plummeted down quite a lot. However, I don't see this as missing out on a good trade. I see this as, hey, with the information that I was given, I made the most logical decision for me at the time. At the end of this trading day, I took a total of 2 trades. It says 6 because it hit the stop loss multiple times. My largest winning trade was 675, which was the first one, and I made a total profit of $886.40. And of course, today we were 100%. We were 2 for 2 in our trades. So today we did quite well. I want to go over what I could have improved during these trades. First thing I want to say is a big reason as to why these trades went much better than my last trades, which I lost $1,000 on, was simply due to the fact that I was trading at a time where there was a lot of volume. I began my trading session at around 9:15, so a lot of traders invest during this time, while when I lost the $1,000, I traded at around 6 p.m., where not a lot of traders are investing. And because of this, it was difficult to recognize the chart patterns and take advantage of the market. But what I definitely could have done better is to allow my wins to run. As you can see with these last couple trades, I kind of got out very quickly, especially with the last trade I did. I only made $250 from that trade when it went down by 40 ticks a few minutes after I exited the trade. So I need to control my emotions and not get out of a trade prematurely. Other than that, I followed my strategy, I followed the setups, and I ended up making a very good amount, and I'm very happy with how I traded this day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned something new. I'll see you in the next one.